Alright, now there's the existing pond. Just to get your bearings there. This is the levee. Can't really see it through the trees, but here it is. And here we are. They're really moving some dirt. Now yesterday morning we were down here and they hadn't had the levee completed yet. Now at this stage it looks like they're bringing that up. They're taking that dirt and they're bringing that side up over there. And I guess you're just going to bring it around. Dennis was saying these graders, scoopers, scoop up about 12 yards, about the size of a small dump truck. Yeah, that looks like some good topsoil right there. They're going to finish off with that on the backside. And there we are. They got the base all done. Now they should be bringing that up all to that height right there, which is about just a tiny bit higher than where I'm standing, which is the levee. And they'll bring that in. You can see it's low coming around here. So they're going to bring that all that up. And it looks like they've got a good start on this side. As you can see, that's about the right grade. I'll try walking a little bit down here. Yeah, they're bringing it up. Like over there sifting all the big logs out of that topsoil. Yeah, they say he's loaded with that scoop on the backside. There it goes.